Look how clean my bad boy is. It's always been filthy. Heck, it looks new again. Oh, here's that seat I put on the seat. I forgot what it's called, but look how clean it is underneath here. I hosed it down. This was all filthy. Everything was just because my backyard's dirty when it gets dry. But look how clean this thing is. Now here's the seat I put on. I forgot what I call it. Ride adjustment. You can adjust it. But that thing looks really good. I hosed it down first to make sure it's wet. And then I use Super Clean. Look at that, got a whole bunch of stuff here. So I got it wet, hose it off, then I use Super Clean. Now, I'm going to do another video, like a motorcycle video, because I'm not sure everybody watches my mower stuff. But the Super Clean stuff is amazing. I mean, I gotta get it wet because you don't want to put it on dry. But I noticed I had it, when I hosed this off, it was sudsy because I cleaned it before without wetting it down, and it cleaned it off. But the thing looks really good now. I guess if you've ever seen it,